what happens if a seller lies on a disclosure form? This is really something that I think has become front and center, maybe since the onset of the pandemic, because the pandemic changed everything in real estate. We went to people buying properties sight unseen. You had to move fast and you had to make your offer as attractive as possible, and you didn't have any time to waste. And so what we started to do is we started to see buyers waiving inspections. And that has been that's been a thread that has run throughout many of our videos. It's created a lot of contracts and closings, but it's also created a lot of problems and a lot of post-closing problems and some litigation. And in the classic scenarios where a buyer waives their inspection, so they don't conduct a property inspection, and then after the closing, they discover an issue, in some cases a serious issue, and they're looking for accountability beyond their own decision to waive an inspection. They're looking to see whether a misrepresentation was made or whether it was negligent for somebody involved in the transaction to advise them not to conduct a home inspection. And now, on point, we have legislation in Massachusetts that essentially will prevent sellers and listing agents from conditioning the acceptance of an offer upon the buyer's willingness to waive inspection.